Hello everyone, welcome to yet another awesome video. In this video, I just want to do a simple video on how to use Google to check exchange rate. Okay, because a lot of things has been slowing me back in terms of attending to people and attending to several people is when they ask you, okay, what is the rate in Ethereum? What is the exchange rate in Naira? What is the exchange rate in rands or rupees? Okay, when they can simply just use Google. So let's say, for example, you click here, okay, and you want to check the value of $2.5 to Naira. All you have to do is just type $2.5 to Naira. Okay, click search, it pops up. Okay, this is the current value of dollar against naira or naira against dollar. Then to make it simple for yourself, you can easily check, okay, what is $1? Okay, $1 right now is at 391.13. You can check $5, 1955 point that's okay, 1955.65 kobo. Okay, you can even check 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira right now is 25.57. You can check 100,000 naira. That's 255,067. So it's easy to search. Once you impute the first search, you can use the conversion box down here to get any information you want in terms of exchange rate. Now let's do Ethereum, because most of you guys, when you are investing, you are using Ethereum. So let's say, or maybe you are in another country and you want to use Ethereum. You want to do, let's say, $100 TST. So that means $50 in Ethereum. So $50 in Ethereum, okay, is 0.27. Okay, so from here you can play with it. $5 will give you 0.02527. $1 will give you 0.0055. Okay, $10 is 0.055. $50 0.82. Okay, this is $150. $50 is 0.27. $100 is 0.55. Are you getting my point? So this is how you check it. Same can apply to Bitcoin. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. Okay, very easy. Could save you and I time in terms of arguing, because most people still think that the naira exchange rate is still 360. Well, I'm sorry to break the news to you guys. The government of Nigeria, or the CBN, has moved on from that price. Okay, they now have now adjusted the price to be at their own price to be at what's it called, black market price. So in such a way that they can sell to black market at a discount. The banks can also sell to black market or bureau de change at discount, and the bureau de change can now sell at it. So the margin between CBN and black market is now narrow. Okay, so anyway, sorry for that diversion. I just wanted to make a point. But as you can see here, $50 in Bitcoin is 0.0070. So let's check what $1 is. Okay, $1 is 0.00014. So $5 is 0.0007. Okay, $10 0.0014. Okay, we can do $100 0.014. So here it's very easy, very easy. You can check in rands, type in rands. Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, $1 is equal to 18.96 rands. You can check rupees, Indian rupees. Okay, Indian rupees. This is Indian rupee, INR. $50 is 3,804.25 Indian rupees. Okay, is it Filipino peso? You can put in full or like this, PHP. They know it's Philippine peso. Okay, you can now use this and check what the value of one is. Okay, so regardless of what your country's exchange rate is, you can always use this friendly search engine and check Uganda shillings. Okay, $1 is 3,008. So this is how to use Google to check the exchange rate of any currency, whether it's your own currency or your own currency against another currency or your currency against cryptocurrency. Okay, this is how to do that. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Just want to let you guys share this, this knowledge with you guys, and so that it will be easy for you um, to use Google to know the exchange rate, to avoid haggling with people. Because once the person searches on Google and it gives them the same thing you tell them, then you guys are good to go. And most times when you show them screenshot from Google, it's clear proof that the exchange rate is authentic. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.